Clickbank affiliate marketing. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can use Clickbank affiliate marketing program. So in this video we will basically explore what is affiliate marketing, specifically in Clickbank if you're looking for becoming affiliate marketer. So you see, the affiliate marketing basically revolves around the distribution structure, which basically involves the one who publish, promotes and advertise the product available, and the vendor who is the producer or the seller, and the one who creates the product and list them. The last one is the consumer, who is the customer and the buyer. So basically it is the distribution structure which is basically works in affiliate marketing. So it is important for you to understand how this structure basically works. Affiliate marketing at its core is about making money online. It is a gateway for passive income and a tool you can use to unshackle yourself from the monotony of 9 to 5 job. So the money that affiliates make comes from the commission that are earned by promoting. Vendors choose their commission rates based on a bunch of calculation and factors. So some of the vendors offers as high as 75% commission rate and other maybe 30%. So when you are browsing the Clickbank affiliate marketplace, after you sign up and make your account, you can see the commission rate and offers as well as the average amount you will make per conversion. So as an affiliate marketer, all you have to do is to promote popular product that are there. So it is important for you to know that the product has to be high quality, and so just see your niche you are passionate about. So how can you get started as an affiliate marketer? Just start with the very basic things, like just have a solid internet connection and a smartphone or a computer and an affiliate network. So what will be the first step towards your affiliate marketing career? So I'm gonna tell you the 3 most important things to consider when choosing an affiliate network. So first of all, just make sure about the quality of the product. A good affiliate network will attract vendors with a quality product that have a cleared compliance with FDA and FTC's guidelines, and consistent and on-time commission payouts. It is also important to make sure that the commission payout are consistent and timely to affiliates. Easy to navigate marketplace. Choose an affiliate network that makes finding products and promoting them as easy as possible. So there are several affiliate networks out there that are perfect for beginners. Why do you even choose Clickbank? So Clickbank has been around over 2 decades and carved out a space of affiliate marketing in e-commerce industries with over $5.5 billion in commission and paid out in 20 countries. So it's a very trustable and authentic platform. So the Clickbank affiliate marketplace is an online pavilion full of potential product in an array of niche. You can browse the categories or use the search function to find out just the right offer. Once you find it, you will just need to hop link to start promoting, and just create your affiliate link and start promoting the product. So this is basically what Clickbank affiliate marketing is. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.